Hi, everyone. Today, what I want to talk to you about is the seismic requirements by zip code for the state of California. So what I've noticed is that in a lot of specs, it shows that the required SDS level for earthquake or seismic requirements is 2.0. But what I want to share with you is the chart that shows the actual requirement per zip code in California. So let me go ahead and share my screen. And here we go. So you can see here from that table that Los Angeles, if you look at it, the requirement is 1 point, well, depending, is below 1.7 mostly. So when you write in your specification that the requirement for the SDS level is 2.0, well, it doesn't mean that it's like that for every zip code everywhere in California. Okay, so this is something I wanted to make you aware. Most of the manufacturers, what they will do is they will shake the unit and make sure that it meets the 2.0 level because they don't want to have to retest it. So they go higher. However, in your specification, the 2.0 is not always required if you look at this chart. Then let me stop the share. What I would like to show you next, it's something very cool as well. Let me go here. And I'm going to go with that. And what I want to do is I want you to listen the difference between an open drive centrifugal chiller and also the centrifugal chiller magnetic bearing, the YMC square. So the YK, open drive centrifugal, or not open drive, but a magnetic bearing centrifugal chiller. So I would like to share with you the sound so you can see how quiet the YMC square is. And actually the joke is that when we do the factory performance test in San Antonio, Texas, most of the customers are asking us to run the chiller when the chiller is already running. So we did that little video like quite a long time ago, but the sound is still good. So let me share with you the sound so you can see a comparison. This is the YK, the open drive, and this is the magnetic bearing. Huge difference, huge difference. So if you have a job or a project that is sound sensitive, they don't want to be noisy, they have something close by, sound is really like sensitive, we have that chiller for you. We have the YMC square magnetic bearing chiller that used to be installed in submarine in the Navy. So imagine how quiet it has to be if it's going in the Navy. So hopefully you learned a lot today with the SDS level and the sound difference in our chiller. And I will see you for another news you can use with Team Resine. Thank you. Bye.